How to fix Instagram story upload error, step-by-step guide. Are you having trouble uploading stories on Instagram? Does your story keep getting stuck or show an error? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to fix the Instagram story upload error. Let's get started. The first thing to check is your internet connection. If your Wi-Fi or mobile data is slow or unstable, Instagram may fail to upload your story. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your router. Sometimes, simply restarting the Instagram app can solve the issue. Close the app completely and reopen it to see if the upload works. If you're using an Android phone, clearing the Instagram cache can help. Go to Settings, find Instagram under Apps, tap on Storage, and then select Clear Cache. This won't delete your data, but may fix the issue. Make sure you're using the latest version of Instagram. Go to the Play Store or App Store and check for any available updates. Installing updates can fix bugs and improve performance. Sometimes, Instagram servers may be down. You can check websites like Downdetector to see if other users are facing the same issue. If Instagram is down, you'll need to wait until they fix it. If your story is too large, Instagram may struggle to upload it. Try reducing the file size using a video compressor or changing the format to MP4 or JPEG for images. If none of the previous steps worked, uninstall Instagram and reinstall it from the Play Store or App Store. This refreshes the app and removes any hidden issues. That's it. One of these solutions should help you fix the Instagram story upload error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next tutorial.